Accounting dashboards versus expense tracking software, which one is better for SMEs? Small and medium-sized enterprises often struggle to keep their finances in check, but should they rely on accounting dashboards or expense tracking software? Let's explore. Accounting dashboards like QuickBooks or Xero give SMEs a comprehensive overview of their financial health. They consolidate income, expenses, invoices, and cash flow into visual charts, making it easier to spot trends and make informed decisions. For instance, a business owner can instantly see that sales dropped by 15% last month and identify which departments are overspending. Dashboards often integrate with banks and payment systems, providing real-time updates. Expense tracking software, such as Expensivy or Zoho Expense, focuses specifically on monitoring spending. Employees can log receipts, categorize expenses, and submit reimbursements digitally. Managers can approve expenses on the go and detect anomalies quickly. For example, if an employee exceeds the allocated travel budget, the software sends an alert, helping prevent overspending before it accumulates. Most people get this wrong by thinking one tool can cover every financial need. The surprising truth is that dashboards provide strategic oversight, while expense tracking software ensures daily spending stays under control. For SMEs, both play a crucial role. Dashboards guide business decisions, and tracking software enforces financial discipline. In conclusion, accounting dashboards give SMEs the big picture view necessary for growth, while expense tracking software handles the nitty-gritty of day-to-day spending. Combining both creates a robust financial management system that helps businesses stay profitable, avoid overspending, and make smarter decisions for long-term success.